Hi, I'm Andy with Holiday Automotive. Today we're going to take a look at a 2017 Chevy Camaro. Stock number is A6898. You can see on the front end here has the very aggressive grille. This is a Camaro SS. Has that badging all the way throughout. Looking at the alloy wheels. Alloy wheels are very clean. They are wrapped with Goodyear Eagle tires. They are, of course, 20-inch alloy wheels. Inside, cloth interior. You have the soft top convertible cover. One more look down the passenger side, then swinging around the back end. You have dual point exhaust. You have a spoiler, and you have a rear backup camera on the back. Holiday Automotive is located on the corners of Highways 41 and 23 in Fond du Lac. We're Wisconsin's largest used car dealer, so it's certainly worth the trip. Audio, Bluetooth, and cruise controls mounted to the steering wheel. Full touchscreen that includes your stereo. Climate control and your automatic transmission is here. I shoot videos today because I want to make sure whether you're coming from near or far, you can see this Camaro on holidayautomotive.com. That's where you'll schedule your test drive and get a free vehicle history report provided by AutoCheck, all at holidayautomotive.com.